Guys, I got this headlight restoration kit from TEMU. See if I can, there we go. So I'm not going to talk in this video, I'm just literally just going to show you what comes with it. So it comes with this lid. It's got like a screw cap as well. So I've put the right lid on it now. I've got like a little applicator pad. I am going to wear gloves for this, but you don't have to. So first things first, what we need to do is, because it's been raining, we need to dry off the headlights. I'll show you a quick before and after as well. So basically what I'm going to do, if I'm going to see if this actually works. Obviously it was only a couple of quid on TEMU, so it's not really going to affect me too much. So I'm just going to put the camera down when I put my gloves on. I'm going to dry off the headlight, and then I'm going to use the applicator pad to apply the stuff, and then just see what happens. I'll quickly show you the headlight, and then we'll go from there. So there we go. So after a couple of applications, it still doesn't really make a difference. My headlights aren't that bad. A few it's oxidization on them, but let's try and get this to focus. It's just take your gloves off a second. There we go. So in my opinion, it doesn't really make a difference, but it might do on your vehicle. Mine aren't too bad, to be fair, but it might work better. It might work better on vehicles that have got really badly oxidized headlights. It might make a bit of difference, but in my personal experience, it's not really made a difference. So thanks for watching.